Tiny Toes Delight, a guide to choosing the perfect baby socks. Oh, the joy of dressing those tiny feet. Shopping for baby socks might seem like a small detail, but with an array of choices, it can be a delightful yet overwhelming task. Fret not, dear parents, for I'm here to lend a helping hand. Let's navigate the world of baby sock shopping with a touch of care and a dash of style. Choosing the soft embrace, material matters. In the symphony of baby comfort, the first note is the material. Opt for socks crafted from nature's embrace, think cotton or bamboo. These soft fibers are not just gentle on your baby's delicate skin, they ensure those little feet stay cool and dry, a comfort your bundle of joy deserves. The perfect hug, finding the right fit. Picture this, socks that snugly embrace those tiny feet without playing the role of a too tight villain. It's a delicate balance, socks that stay put without impeding circulation. Look for that perfect fit to keep those little toes cozy and content. First steps, secure strides, embracing grip. For the little explorers taking their first steps, consider socks with grippers. These nifty additions to the soles ensure that your baby's adventurous strides are met with a firm grip, preventing unexpected slips and ensuring safe explorations. Fashionable footwear, stylish choices for your little trendsetter. Who said baby socks can't be stylish? Dive into a world of adorable designs and colors. Choose socks that not only cradle those tiny feet but also bring a smile to your face. After all, the joy of dressing your baby is in these charming details. Withstanding baby adventures, durability matters. Babies are champions at going through socks at lightning speed. Opt for durability in your sock choices, well-made socks that can endure multiple washings and still emerge ready for the next adventure. Tips for sock shopping bliss. Variety is the spice of socks. Babies grow like little miracles, so stock up on socks in different sizes. It's the key to ensuring those tiny toes are always snug. Gentle care for tiny threads, wash socks inside out on a gentle cycle. This small act of care will keep them hugging those little feet for longer. Say no to fabric softeners, resist the urge to douse those cute socks in fabric softener. It might make them less breathable, and we want those little feet to be as comfy as can be. Let them breathe, air dry when possible. While the dryer might seem convenient, air drying is a friend to baby socks. It helps them retain their shape and prevents any unexpected size changes. In this delightful journey of parenting, every detail matters, even the tiniest socks. May your baby's feet be forever cozy, stylish, and ready for the adventures that await. Happy sock shopping, dear parents!